My name is Lakshan. I am from 8th standard. I am studying study school. I am in Puducherry SP Robotics community, and this is my expert-led project, Ship Finding Robot. The working model of my project. I have an ultrasonic sensor that produces sound waves that bounce back off the enemy ship and gets reflected into it and comes back to the receiver of the ultrasonic sensor. It gives the signals to the laptop and tells how much distance is it away from our Navy ship and is there an object nearby. I have kept a servo under the ultrasonic sensor that lets the ultrasonic sensor move, and it sends the signals for every turn and sends it to the clear monitor. Components are used in this project: an ultrasonic sensor, expert level chassis, Arduino board, gauge shield, USB cable and a battery. Thank you for watching my video.